Santa Barbara Baker here with a quick how-to on how to go into the ultra low zone on your Ooni Koda 16. If you've been watching me bake some pizzas, you know I'm using that ultra low zone for almost all my pizza bakes at some point. I use it on my standard bake around 3 to 4 minutes to my extended bake, which that's when you're going 7+ on that. The ultra low zone really opens up some new possibilities in the Ooni when that just going all the way down here on the low, normal low isn't quite long enough. Some pizzas need that extra crispy vibe. Why don't we take a look? I'll show you how to get in there. I have the Ooni Koda 16 all fired up in its normal baking range, clockwise to the max point, counterclockwise to its normal low zone. If I want to go into that ultra low zone for my extended bake, or I even use that in my standard bake, I'm going to go clockwise, moving quickly. Typically, as you hit that lightning bolt, you're going to reach the stop point. You have to push in, past the lightning bolt, release again. Now you're in that ultra low zone. We have the Ooni Koda 16 now in that ultra low zone, so we can achieve our thin and crispy dreams, that extended bake, or even just my standard bake. Once again, how did we get there? When the Ooni's in its normal operating range, crank it up clockwise to its max point, moving quickly through that, pushing in just past the lightning bolt. You're in the ultra low zone. You go too far to the right, you're gonna turn the oven off. Don't panic if you do. Really easy to get that thing back on. Check out my extended bake. I got the link down below for how to go for that ultra long, thin and crispy vibes. Share with your friends. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. I'm Santa Barbara Baker on Instagram. All the recipes, pizza recipes and more, santabarbarabaker.com. Keep making that pizza, sharing it with everybody, living that pizza lifestyle. I love you all. One love.